One for all and all for one. This is literally your all-in-one interface for everything. With the Stream Deck Plus, you can streamline your workflow process, not only for gaming, but for editing and even productivity. Literally letting you control it the way you want to and beyond. But with this being the 5th iteration of the Stream Deck, I'm super excited to see what's new for the Stream Deck Plus. And what better way to do that by opening it up? So let's unpack it. So this is a pretty small and square little packaging. Not much to it, but I mean, like, I'm excited to see. Let's take it up. Let's open this. Just 2 little stickers here. Take it out. And I believe I can just have it slide right out. And ooh, okay. So you can't go wrong with Elgato. They make their packaging really cool. I mean, we saw it with our sound panels. The packaging styling is about the same. And right here, you can see the Steam Deck itself. Look at this nice panel. Ooh. Okay, so what does the box come with? So we have the Steam Deck there. And we have a USB Type-C to Type-B. And I believe these are just the manuals inside here, so we don't really need all this. The main item that we're looking at is the Steam Deck itself. I mean, Stream Deck. The main item we're looking at is the Stream Deck itself. So now that we actually taken the whole thing out of the box, I mean, it is different from what the usual Stream Decks look like. I believe this right here is the adaptive screen. They have 4 knobs and they are twistable and clickable too. And then these 8 little buttons are all the LCD screens. And then really the only thing that came in the box is just this USB Type-C cord. And if we can look in the back, you can see the Type-C cord here. Other than that, it is a pretty simple but very clear design. You can tell what this does. So from using the other Elgato devices, especially the Stream Deck, this is a major improvement from the original Stream Deck. I mean, I think the first one was only about 4 or 6 keys, or buttons I mean, and then they expanded to 8, and then they actually did more. I think they did 16 with one of them, which was kind of overkill. But now with this one, they've actually added these knobs, which for a lot of people, this is actually a pretty, like a lifesaver. I see that you can actually use this for like editing. I mean, as an editor who's constantly adjusting stuff by minimal stuff, having this wheel that I can both click and spin around is actually really cool. I like it. I probably would love using this for my editing setup. So hopefully I can actually keep this. Low-key, I'll keep this. And don't get me wrong about the LCD buttons, which are always cool to customize. And once you have the Elgato software up and running, it's honestly a breeze trying to customize and adjust this. So now that we got the software loaded, we actually started loading up Streamlabs to kind of see how everything kind of goes all into one. And then now we have the program here with the Stream Deck. So it's very intuitive, like I said before. It has the ability to just really just drag and drop. So if you want to adjust one of the dials, just drop it here. Yes, continue, and adjust the dial right there. And this can be for a lot of things, even the keys itself. It even has this little drop down for Twitter, OBS, Discord, Zoom, even stuff that you wouldn't really think of, even Slack. So for business and productivity sake, this is actually really cool. The Elgato Stream Deck Plus is literally a stylish and efficient cheat code. I mean, just look at it. You can easily manage and switch and access its buttons and knobs to adjust settings and inputs. Whether it be for editing, live streaming, or just productivity, this deck is a literal dream. Its software is super intuitive and customizable. The key factor is that they've added 2 new inputs, the knobs and the touchscreen, which can both twist and click. Well, that's it for our quick unpack it for the Elgato Stream Deck Plus. Be sure to leave a like down below and comment and subscribe. We really do appreciate it. And until next time.